Hi everyone! Today I'm walking around in Paris and I've just found a beautiful clothing shop that really caught my attention. So I've decided to go inside, take a look at the items, and try to shop while practicing real English conversation in a natural situation. Hello, good afternoon. This shop looks really stylish and well organized, and I was wondering if I could take a look around and maybe try on a few items if I find something I like.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Of course, please feel free to look around, and if you need any help or have any questions, I'll be happy to assist you.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your help because I can see there are many beautiful clothes here, and I would like to take my time to explore everything. As I'm walking around and looking at the clothes, I can see that there are many different styles, including dresses, jackets, and casual wear. And to be honest, I'm not quite sure what would suit me best.
We have a variety of styles, and if you tell me what you are looking for, I can help you find something that matches your preference.
That would be very helpful because I am looking for something comfortable but also a little stylish, something that I can wear while exploring the city. Could you please recommend something that would be suitable for walking around the city for a long time while still looking nice and presentable?
Yes, I would recommend this light jacket and a simple dress because they are both comfortable and fashionable.
That sounds like a good combination, and I really like the color of this jacket as well. I was wondering if you have this jacket in a medium size because I'm not sure if this one will fit me properly.
Let me check for you. Yes, we do have it in medium.
That's great. Thank you so much. Would it be possible for me to try this on before making a decision because I want to make sure it fits comfortably?
Yes, of course. You can try it in the fitting room over there.
Thank you. I'll go and try it now. I've just tried the jacket and I think it fits quite well, but I'm still not completely sure about the style because I want something that I can wear in different situations.
It actually looks very nice on you, and it is quite versatile, so you can wear it in many different settings.
That's good to know, and I do like how comfortable it feels. Could you please tell me how much this jacket costs, because I would like to consider it before deciding whether to buy it?
The price of the jacket is 45 euros.
I see. That's a bit higher than I expected, but I understand that it is good quality. I think I would like to take a little more time to look around and compare a few other items before making my final decision because I want to choose something that I really love.
Of course, take your time and let me know if you need any further assistance.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate your patience and help. All right, I think I'm getting closer to making a decision, but I would like to look at a few more items before I decide what to buy. After spending some time walking around the shop, trying on a few different items, and carefully thinking about what I really need and what I like the most, I think I'm finally ready to make a decision about what I would like to buy today. Excuse me, I've taken some time to look at several items, and after comparing the styles, the comfort, and the prices, I think I've decided that I would like to buy this jacket that I tried earlier because it feels comfortable, looks stylish, and seems suitable for different situations during my trip.
That's a great choice, and it really suits you well, especially the color and the fit, which look very nice on you.
Thank you very much. I'm glad to hear that, because I wanted to make sure that I was choosing something that I would feel confident wearing. Before I finalize my purchase, I just want to make sure that this is the correct size for me, because sometimes I feel like I'm between sizes, and I want to be comfortable when I wear it for a long time.
Yes, this size fits you well, and it allows enough space for movement, so it should be comfortable for daily wear.
That's reassuring to hear, and I think I feel quite comfortable in it as well. I was also wondering if there are any discounts or special offers available at the moment, because I've noticed that sometimes shops have seasonal promotions.
At the moment, we do not have any discounts on this item, but we do have a loyalty program for returning customers.
I see. That's good to know, and maybe I can join that if I come back again. All right, in that case, I would like to go ahead and purchase this jacket, and I was wondering if it would be possible to pay by card, because I prefer using my card rather than carrying cash.
Yes, of course. You can pay by card, and you can either tap or insert your card at the payment terminal.
Thank you very much. I'll just tap my card now and complete the payment.
All right, the payment has been processed successfully.
Great, thank you. That was very quick and convenient. I also wanted to ask about your return policy, just in case I change my mind later, or if I find that the size is not quite right after wearing it for a while.
You can return the item within 14 days as long as it's in good condition and you have the receipt.
That's very helpful, and it makes me feel more confident about my purchase. Would it be possible for you to put the jacket in a bag, because I still plan to walk around the city and continue shopping?
Of course, I will pack it for you right now.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. I just want to say that I really enjoyed shopping here today because the shop is very well organized and your service has been very helpful and friendly, which made my experience much more enjoyable.
Thank you very much. We always try to provide the best service for our customers.
I can definitely see that, and it makes a big difference, especially when visiting a new place.
Here is your bag and your receipt. Please keep it in case you need it later.
Thank you so much. Everything is perfect, and I'm very happy with my purchase. Thank you again for your help, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
You're very welcome, and enjoy your time in Paris.
Thank you. I definitely will. Now let's learn some useful words. Discount, lower price, payment, giving money, return policy, rules for returning items, receipt, proof of purchase, size, how big or small something is. Speaking practice. I would like to buy this item. Can I pay by card? Do you have any discounts? What is your return policy? Great job today. Now you can shop and speak English confidently. In the next video, I will continue exploring Paris and have more real-life conversations. Don't forget to subscribe and keep learning with me.